we're going to talk about our jigsaws. Jigsaws are great for when you need to cut something in a curve. Right? They can do straight lines. They will do straight lines. Easier to do a curve. And if you're going to cut a lot of straight lines, probably a better bet to use a circular saw or another tool that's designed to do just straight lines. So let's talk about the jigsaw. Jigsaw is going to use a battery. Jigsaw is going to need a blade. All right? We're never going to change our blades while the battery's still in, just so we can be as mindful of our safety as possible. Blades come in a variety of shapes and number of teeth. I guess they're all the same shape, but they have different kinds of teeth. If you're not sure what kind of teeth you're going to be using or what kind of blade you're going to be using, talk to your teacher, talk to someone who has more experience to see what they recommend. Usually the finer the teeth, the more teeth, the smaller they are, the finer and nicer a cut, but the longer it's going to take. The bigger the teeth, the faster it's going to cut, but you're going to end up with some jaggedy edges. And if that's okay, that's okay. The thinner the blade, the tighter a curve you can make, but again, it's going to slow you down and there's a greater chance of you breaking the blade. So think about what kind of blade you're going to need for the kind of cut that you want to make. To install the blade on your jigsaw, you're going to look at the bottom of the jigsaw, and there's a part for our orange Black & Decker jigsaws. They have an orange latch in the front. So you pull that to let your blade go in. You're going to line it up into the slot and push it all the way down. So your teeth need to be facing the way that you're going to cut. So if you think about how you're going to cut, we're going to go this way. Teeth need to be going this way. All right? And it's usually set up to help you do that. There's a little notch at the bottom. Again, I'm going to pull the latch down, stick the blade in, release the latch, and try to pull it out and make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and that's good. Best you can, line it up in the little wheel to help for some stability, and you're good to go. You can add a battery and get your safety gear on and get set. So let's do a test cut. I have my blade and my battery all set, my safety glasses are on, and my lock on the jigsaw is unlocked. All right? I have my material clamped down. If you need a refresher on clamps, there's a clamp video you can check out. But we're just going to do a little test cut. Normally I'd have markings or whatever sort of pattern I'm going to follow, but this is just a demonstration. So when I start my cuts, I always start the blade off the material. If you don't, the saw might kick or the blade might get stuck. You just want to start the blade off the material, and that'll ensure that you get a good cut. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, you can see I was able to make a nice little curve in there using the jigsaw and following the curve that I wanted to get. So this could be any sort of penciled in design. You can get really intricate if you have patience and precision for it. That's it for your jigsaw. Okay, to tear down, same thing. Battery out, blade comes out with the latch, put the materials up where you found them, and you're good to go.